of Surigao Government, we have the Honorable Vice Mayor, Attorney Alfonso Pons Casura.
Thank you very much. Good morning to each and everyone. It really is to me special because in 2001, I was the city mayor who also cut the ribbon of the first Jollibee store in Surigao City. Nadumdum pa ko to na ang nakuha si baby kang artista, Piolo Pascual, ang tagdaya diri. Nagkabuang-buang ang mga Surigao noon ito pag-open. Gani, to tell you, anamo emergency unit, may tag-rescue na customer. Kayo naman, amo pa siya makakita na mangihi na muundang ra. Kay automatic man to, kalaw niya multo. Kaya pag ihi niya, pag undang niya, nuhunong sa tubig. Sa multo. Tag-rescue in town lang. Anyway, it gives me great pleasure to be here today for this opening of the third store of Jollibee in Surigao City. This comes at the point where you probably may have known that the city of government of Surigao is embarking on an ambitious project. And I really would like to tell you now that I think next week we will also be inaugurating the new Inocencio Cortez Development Township project at the back of this area here, where they will start already the construction of so many residential houses here in Surigao City. This area really is something that is so special for Surigao City because one reason or another, the opening of this store will generate a lot of opportunities. Not only for Surigao City, but more importantly to our employees who will be hired here in the third store of Jollibee. And also, this comes at a point where the city government is so blessed that without you knowing, the president and the highest officials of San Sebastian College Recoletos are here present today. Father, ang atong mga nagatuan sa Sebastian College Recoletos, another university will be established here in Surigao City and even in Siargao, God willing. So, on behalf of Mayor Paul Dumlao, who has to leave for an important commitment to Manila, I would stand here representing the local government unit of Surigao with the hope that this opening will signal, we are always trying to give the impression to our businessmen that Surigao local government unit under the present administration is there always to support you. Si Ma'am Melba, who is now the president of the Surigao Chamber of Commerce and Industry, we always would like to link with them because if there are problems along the way, we always would like to partner with them, and especially to the President Mary Rose Kang, and to our Punong Barangay, Honorable Adonsa, and the newest member of the Sangguniang Pangungsod, the Honorable Noel Plaza Catre. Where is Noel? And we look forward that this store will be something that we can look into the point of having taken of note the progress of the city of Surigao. This said, as always, today we have no way of changing the past. But today, we have an